Auburn Sound Transit moving right along. We came out to take a look at it, getting ready to install the barrier cable for Absher. What are you excited about?
I'm excited to get it done. They're asking us to come out here early so we can save them money on their handrail, because if we put up the barrier cable early, then they get to take their handrail off rent, and we're nearby, so we're willing to work with them to do that. You know, it's a good-sized project with Sound Transit. We're looking forward to seeing it go forward. They got one more floor to pour, and then it'll be poured out. They got a couple other things they're working on, but it looks like within the next few weeks, we'll be out here installing the barrier cable and welding up posts. So it'll look a lot different when it's all done.
Well, I'm excited, and that it definitely is going to be different. Keep watching, see how this Auburn Sound Transit project goes. We're getting ready to come out. And remember, post-tensioning solutions, we stress excellence.
We stress excellence every day. 600, 700 feet of hose. Middle, then comes up to another pump over there somewhere where they can pump it up there. There's a lot of work to get that concrete pumped to where you want it to go.
Out here in Auburn, getting ready to do the barrier cable for Sound Transit and Absher. Super excited.
It looks like there's a wall here or something. I'm gonna go look at this corner too. And then they got columns down here that might have to be chipped out. Holy shit.
Yeah, I know.
You got delamination at the top. You see the hammer or anything?
It's nice seeing you, but every time you receive it, there's stuff locked up.
What to say? It needs to come off. That's just way more sturdy. Yeah,
You know what I mean? I just like that way better.
Yeah, they'll all be like that for now.
Yeah.
So what are these?
These are the tubes for Kent Station. 8x8s and the 5x5s.
So the tubes are in for Kent Station. We're going to be heading out there hopefully next week, welding them in, working with Superior Steel. We're excited to have everybody out on the job and knocking this one out the park and getting it done for Sound Transit and everybody in the Seattle area. We hope you guys can enjoy the light reel, and remember, we stress excellence.